हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू न्यू वीडियो। आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल करुणा पढ़ाई में। आज हम आ चुके हैं 7th स्टैंडर्ड के साइंस के साथ और आज का हम जो चैप्टर का नाम है स्टैटिक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। तो चलिए नोट्स कंप्लीट करते हैं। सबसे पहला हमारा क्वेश्चन है फिल इन द ब्लैंक। फर्स्ट, there is always repulsion between like charges. Second, displacement of negative charges is responsible for generating of electric charge in an object. Of copper strips. Fourth, steel does not get electrical charged easily by rubbing. Fifth, there is always attraction when opposite electric charges come near each other. Sixth, a charged object can be detected with an electroscope. Two or three sentences. First, why is lightning not seen every day during the rainy seasons? All the lightning is generally produced by thunderstorm, which is not usually during all the rainy season days. Therefore, lightning is not seen every day during the rainy season. Why do farmers stick is of iron stuff into the ground while working in the field in rainy conditions? The iron stuff working as a lightning conductor earthing. In rainy conditions, if an electrical charge cloud passed over the field, the charges flow towards the field and getting conducted through the iron stuffs and damage due to the lightning is prevented. Third, explain why it is not safe to go out when there is a heavy raining or lightning. Without an umbrella when there is heavy raining, lightning or thunder. Answer A. An umbrella can increase your chance of being hit by lightning if it makes you the tallest object in the area. The metal rod of the umbrella can direct the electrical charge into your body, and hence a person carrying an umbrella would get a severe electric shock. Third, answer the following questions in brief. Answer well when we take the following. First, how will you protect yourself from lightning? Answer when we will take the following precautions to protect ourselves from lightning. Answer as far as possible. When there is a thunderstorm and lightning, try to remain indoors. If you are able, you are in open, do not stand in open ground or below a tree. We should not go to higher locations or climb a tree. B, we should not stand near electric pole or a telephone pole or a tower, etc. C, we should not lean on wire fence around a farm or compound, a garden or a house. Third, we should not gather all around in one place. E, we should fix an electrical conductor earthing on our building or any other tall building in our surroundings so that the whole area gets protected from lightning. F, we should not use plugged in electrical appliances, mobile and telephone, etc. Second, how charges are generated? Answer A, each atom contains a stationary positive charge and a moving negative charge. These two charges being perfectly balanced, an atom is electrically neutral. When the certain objects are rubbed against each other, the negative charge particles on one object go to the another object. See, the object which they go becomes negatively charged due to an excess of which negatively charged particles go away, become positively charged due to the deficiency of negatively charged particle. It means that two objects being rubbed, one becomes positively charged and the other becomes negatively charged. Third, in the lightning conductor, what provision is made for spreading the electricity into the ground? Answer: a lightning conductor is a device used for protection from lightning strikes. It is considered of a long copper strip with one end of forked at this end at highest part of the building. The other end of the strip is connected to the plate of cast iron. B. A pit is dug in the ground. Coal and salt are filled into the pit and the iron plate is placed upright in the pit. There is also a province for pouring water into it. C. This helps to spread the electricity charge quickly into the ground. Fourth, what are the characteristics of static electricity charge? Answer: following are the characteristics of static electricity charge. Answer A. Each atom contains a stationary positive charge and moving negative charge. B. When the positively charged and the negatively charged on the object balance the object in neutral, there is no net charge on the object. C. If these charges are not balanced, the object is said to be charged. D. When certain objects are rubbed against each other, the negatively charged particles go on one object go to the another object. आज के लिए बस नहीं। आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आओगा। अगर वीडियो पसंद आओगा वीडियो को लाइक, वीडियो को शेयर, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और कमेंट्स में जरूर बताना आपको वीडियो कैसे लगा। तो तब तक के लिए गुड बाय।